Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today Ann is driving, and can you tell us what we're making?
Spiced lentil shepherd's pie.
Were you going to say mincemeat pie?
Well, anyway, and the thing is, it sounds right as if it's going to be really hard. This is so easy and amazingly, crazily delicious. And it starts with PLANTSTRONG spiced lentils in a little container. And I'm going to put in 2, but you can put in as many as you want. Jane, would you like to put in 1?
Should I cut this open?
Oh, I thought it was open. And I loved using a tovolo to get this out because you just want to get all of the nice lentils in the pot, whatever pot you're using. And
That's a beautiful pot, Mommy.
Yeah.
So you put the lentils in first?
Put the lentils right in the bottom, of course.
Okay.
Jane.
Because a shepherd's pie, for those who don't know.
We're making a shepherd's pie, which has mashed potatoes on top. So you're going to think, wait until you see the gravy that you get. Jane, do you want to stick that in?
Put my thing in?
Yours in. And
okay.
Then I am going to take some potatoes.
How many?
And I have 6. And you've got to use.
Can I make a mention about what recipe you're doing?
Oh, you may.
She's using the good garlicky mashed potatoes from the Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease cookbook, and it's on page 138 if you have that book as part of her shepherd's pie.
And all the difference. I just love to use the Yukon Gold potatoes. They are so moist, and what I like is the skins are not stiff so that you can just incorporate them. You never peel a potato because all the wealth in the potato is in the skin. If you're just for to eat something, you should eat the skin and get rid of the inside because that's where the power is.
So, you know what people say about the Yukon Golds is that the butter's baked in.
Yeah. So I cut these up into small pieces. It is quick and easy, and simply boil them until they're soft. So here I have my Yukon Gold potatoes boiled. And then I am going to mash them with my potato masher. And
here. Do you want,
I may need a bigger pot, but I may not.
You may need leverage. There you go, Wade.
So Jane, I've got your leverage now. This is what some people have as leverage in life. I love it.
Can I add the garlic to it now?
Yes, and would you put in?
2 cloves, 2, yeah.
Well, I think the more garlic, the better. And if you want to be really quick and do it in an instant, you could just do dried garlic powdered garlic. But no. What I'm saying is, I think the fresh garlic really does make a difference. But then the other thing that is so cool to add is to add nutritional yeast. And I add about a tablespoon per potato. So get all that garlic in. And the thing about nutritional yeast is that when you put this in, it gets everything really dry. It absorbs liquid quickly. So I need to put in some kind of non-dairy milk. And I happen to have some PLANTSTRONG almond milk here.
I want to measure 2 cups of it before you throw it in?
Well, you know what? You can add 2 cups, but I just think it's better to do it according to...
Can I make a mention about PLANTSTRONG?
Yeah.
PLANTSTRONG they have all kinds of products available now in some Targets and some Walmarts even. But if you happen to be curious about getting it online, you can use it for a discount. You can use the code, which we've flown in before, Jane15, and that will get you a discount.
Jane, these got a little watery. But you know what?
Add more nutritional yeast?
You could, but just wait a minute because you're going to see how the nutritional yeast absorbs. Let's
add a little
liquid.
More.
Okay, now Jane, if you would put in some pepper, please. And we have garlic.
I have nutritional yeast if we want to add a wee bit more.
Well, you can add a tiny bit.
I can't see what I'm doing.
That's good. That's good.
I couldn't see.
And then, Jane, pepper, please. And then I need...
3, 5,
I like being up here.
Isn't that great?
I'm not going to come down. I'm sorry. I'm up here for a while. Then, Jane, some rosemary, about a teaspoon.
Yes.
And again, you don't have to add that, but you can. But rosemary is always
I'm going to
nice.
sneeze because of black pepper. You had your purple striped garlic here for people who...
No, that's for something else.
Oh, okay.
I'm sorry.
I'm jumping ahead.
Now, that's looking pretty nice.
I want to taste it, kind of.
You do?
Okay,
taste it and see.
I'll wait.
No, taste it because it would be nice. Would you have? There's a spoon. Taste it.
I'll
taste it.
I have my braces in, so I'm going to take them off.
It could have another little garlic, but you know what?
Want another clove of garlic?
Well,
Here, let me put this kind of garlic in.
yeah, put a little more garlic in.
Oops. Mine, I usually pour mine over a hot pot so it's congealed or not congealed, it's solidified. So I was amazed to see that yours was not.
Okay.
I put in about half a teaspoon. There's a couple big chunks.
All right. So that's looking good. Now, from up here, I need
And she's still on the camera?
I need a big spoon.
Okay. Here. I got a big spoon.
Ah,
Do you want to stay up there, Mommy?
I like it.
Okay.
I feel in charge.
You are in charge no matter where you stand, from whence you
And
hail.
then you just simply put this on top,
Oh.
like this. And you know, if you have too much, that's okay, because you can always eat those mashed potatoes plain. And the more mashed potatoes, truly, the better in this dish.
Yeah. I was going to say.
But you know what? I'm not done, because the next move is so fun.
What's the next move?
I'm just going to put all of these in.
Can I make a comment about Shepard's?
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Shepherd's pie, I really always have wondered like what the history of it is, and I'm dying to look it up, especially because a friend of mine just wrote an astounding book that's up for the National Book Award. It's called The Saltstones, and she is a shepherd in Vermont, and she raises these rare heirloom Icelandic sheep, and this book is up for this amazing award because she talks about being a shepherd, and I had to go visit her afterwards. I couldn't believe it. It was so beautiful. And I wonder where shepherd's pie comes from in all this talk about shepherd's pie.
All right. The next step.
So those aren't solid.
It's a cool step. And that is, this is some minced onion. And I am just going to sprinkle this minced onion on top of my absolutely fabulous potatoes. And I did what we forgot to put in. We forgot to put one thing in, and that was a little bit of red chili flakes. But that's okay, because you'll see when I take out of the oven the other.
Yes,
this. It is crazy good.
So this she made right now, but Anne's amazing.
I don't like being down here. I way prefer being up.
Anne made one just before we made this, so we have some footage of it coming out of the oven. It's so delicious. Here it is. Woo!
Woo! And look how all that gravy from the spiced lentils come oozing up. And so every bite has got sort of a gravy on it. It is so good, and it doesn't take that long to do.
Can we try it,
Mommy?
Can we try it? Here. I just got all the potatoes. I have a little potato bowl because I can't wait to try those. Wade, will you try it?
Of course.
So spiced lentils from Engine 2.
There's a taste.
I'm surprised you don't have like parsley on here.
Oh! Jane,
What?
wait.
What are we? Is it good?
Yeah.
Oh, Wade just went.
This is so good. Oh. It's spicy.
So good. He likes spice.
It might get a little spicy.
And you can put your own spice on.
It's a little spicy for
But
you
look at-
even?
No, I mean, I'm paying for you.
These are
for us.
This is chives from my
Oh,
garden.
yes.
So I think that would
What
be
am I
really
doing?
pretty to add.
I thought I had some.
But isn't it interesting how
good.
the lentils add to the mashed potatoes, and even if your potatoes are a little bland, it doesn't matter.
Oh my gosh. How is it?
It's good.
Is it okay? Well,
I love it. I mean, Essie and I ate half of that one night because it was just, it's so easy to eat.
Okay, well, I think we're gonna give me your bowl, Wade. His bowl's empty, and he's like, kind of looking like, can I get another hit? So, you guys, please let us know how your shepherd pie goes.
Let me give him a little bit of.
Yeah, proper chives. Sorry, I went a little deep, so I got a little mix of everything here. But let us know. And I want to add that, like, there's a spicy lentil box of great stuff, but there's other boxes as well that might do just as.
Exactly. I was meant to say that. There are about 7 different choices. I chose the spiced lentils, but I think any of those would be a wonderful base.
A base for the shepherd's pie.
For shepherd's pie, or just
any sort of spicy, flavory thing on the bottom, and then sort of, and not that mashed potatoes are bland, but they're not overly complex, except for a lot of garlic going in that one, Mommy. All right, so let us know how your shepherd's pie goes, and if you're looking to read something while your shepherd's pie is in the oven or while you're eating it.
salt stones.
The salt stones.
So good.
So-
It'll make you just want to live
Become
your
a
life
shepherd.
forever eating shepherd's pie and being a shepherd.
All right, bye-bye.